I have a second channel, cooktop MTDX. Hey everybody, so we're over in a new place, and here we are in the kitchen. We have this brand new Samsung microwave oven, and there's one thing I don't really like about it, and this has to do with a lot with over-the-range microwaves. You have this puny 40-watt appliance bulb lighting up the cooktop. You have that right there. I'm sure some of you guys may know. Well, the fridge just dumped some ice. But anyways, some of y'all may remember in the old place, I had just a typical range hood. And I had a 60-watt equivalent LED light bulb in it. So going from that to this is like, it's like horrible. It's just not that great. So we're going to do something about that. See, that's high. That's low. That's off. So, went on Amazon and picked up a couple of these LED bulbs. These are, I think, like 75-watt equivalents. So I gotta set my phone down because I'm filming my phone, so I gotta open these up and I'll show you what's inside. Okay guys, so this is actually a 2-pack, but only need one light bulb. But it's nice to have a spare. I'm sorry guys again for the crappy crappy video quality. You can see I'm just filming my phone. That's what I have over here, and of course I don't have a tripod for that, so anyways, get this box open here and show you what's actually inside here. So I'm hoping this is right. I really am. I'm now beginning to think that's too big, but we're gonna find out. So that's what the actual bulb looks like. So what I gotta do is I gotta take this cover off here, and again I gotta stop the video again because I don't have a tripod for my phone. Okay, so one screw comes out and this whole door assembly comes down. Of course, we'll make sure that your over the range light is turned off. You just unscrew this light bulb, and we're gonna see if this is the right one. Oh goody, it is. So this is an E17 style bulb. You can see this is an incandescent piece of crap. And this here is an LED bulb. And I should mention, it's important that when your microwave like this has a high and low setting for the bulb, for the overhead light, that you get a light bulb that's dimmable. That's very important. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this into place up here. Now again, what I'm installing in here is a 75-watt equivalent, so it should be much brighter than the original bulb. And it doesn't pull anywhere near as much as the bulb is replacing because this is LED. Alright, so I gotta put this door back up, so I gotta stop the video again. Okay guys, I just installed the bulb. Let's give it a try. And there you have it guys, much brighter. Much brighter. So that's high, and you can see, yeah, it's a lot brighter, much better. So one thing I don't like about this microwave is it doesn't have a spot for a second bulb. I mean, that cavity there is big enough for a second bulb, but there's simply not one there. I mean, this is Samsung's entry-level over-range microwave, so I can kind of understand that. Really, to be honest, this microwave, it looks better than the one it replaced, and it's got more cooking power than the one it replaced. However, the microwave that was up here. There was a couple of things about it that I think were a little better, like the express cook where you just mash, like let's say the 1 button for 1 minute, the 2 button for 2 minutes, and it actually had 2 bulbs under it. I mean 2 cooktop lights under it. But now that we replaced that, yeah, this puny thing right here with that LED set up, the cooktop definitely looks brighter now than it was before. Oh yeah, I should mention that's a brand new range too. So I'm gonna be doing an update soon on cooktop MTDX. I'll be talking about these appliances a little more, along with my other updates. So let's try the low setting. Does that work? It does. You can see there's a little bit of flicker there. But I probably won't be leaving this on low. I'll probably just have it on high. But the low, it does actually dim down a little bit for low. That's the thing about LEDs, I mean, even the ones that are dimmable, you can still kind of tell when they're not exactly happy. Of course, they show the frequency of your AC power a lot more than an incandescent does. So again, that's high. That's low. That's off. So there you have it, guys. So that's how you can get more lighting on your cooktop when you have an open range microwave oven that has a very just not very good incandescent bulb. And of course, that incandescent bulb, sure it wouldn't last very long anyway. The LED bulb should definitely outlast it. So anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Well, everybody, that's it for this video. But don't forget, there's a lot more interesting stuff on the channel to check out. Also, if this is your first time visiting this channel, feel free to subscribe to keep your channel. And also, don't forget to tick the bell so that way you'll get notified of new video posts. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. But if you really didn't like it, there is the alternative option available as well. Also, feel free to check out my second channel, cooktop MTDX. There you'll find videos about bicycling, weather, elevator tours, and all sorts of other neat, interesting stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to come back, and thank you for your support.